Hello, my statisticians. Happy Halloween or almost happy Halloween, or maybe Halloween is past by the time you're doing this, and happy previous Halloween. But here we have a jar full of candy corns. So if you've never seen a candy corn before, they are these tiny little triangular, if you will, um, candies. So for your task in this discussion, I would like you to guess how many candies are in this jar. For the sake of, I guess, giving an even playing field to everyone, I'll tell you the size of the jar. I'll measure one of the candy corns. So let's see. The jar itself, so it's like a round container. The lid of it all the way across is about 11 centimeters. You can see that. Okay. And then the height of it, and I'll say it's not completely like a straight cylinder. Like there is kind of a curve to this edge over here if you see that. But the height of this container is about 12 centimeters. Okay. And to give you an idea of how full it is, because the lid is a little kind of up there, it's pretty full. Okay. Now, we're on a system of trust here. I'm not going to change how many candy corns are in here. I am sealing this lid, and this is it. So, in this week's discussion, I wanted to measure a candy corn. Okay, in terms of centimeters, a candy corn is about 2.4 centimeters long. And at the widest part, I'm going to say it's about 1.4 centimeters. All right, I've given you all the measurements. Now I'm sealing it, and your job is to make a guess. So in this week's discussion, I want you to post a number. So how many candy corns do you think are in this jar? But then I also want you to add an explanation for how you came up with that. And that there's no wrong way to write that explanation. I really am just curious to kind of see how your brain works. Maybe you do calculations. Maybe you're just like, I just felt like this number. Whatever your explanation is, please share it with the class. And then we're going to do stuff with these numbers later on. This is essentially, I'm also collecting data through doing this. So here we go. I'll also post a picture maybe so that you can get like a whole, I don't know. We'll see. All right. Good luck.